Observe the night sky with heightened attention, for it has been fundamentally transformed, not by a visible celestial event, but by a phenomenon concealed within the very structure of the universe. A creature originating from the theoretical constructs of physics, a microscopic black hole, has taken the place of our familiar lunar guardian. The process begins imperceptibly, an invisible anomaly, smaller than a grain of sand, yet exerting an enormous gravitational influence. This is no ordinary object. It is a microscopic black hole, an entity so dense that light itself cannot escape its pull. At first, Earth's tides and atmospheric conditions remain steady, seemingly unaffected. However, beneath the surface, subtle disruptions emerge. Although diminutive in size, this black hole interacts with Earth's matter, rapidly absorbing material. As it engulfs lunar debris and nearby particles, it incrementally increases in mass, amplifying its gravitational effect. Unlike the Moon, which maintains our planet's axial stability and governs seasonal cycles, this tiny but perilous force threatens to disrupt Earth's orbital harmony. Scientists across the globe observe anomalous phenomena, unexplained alterations in magnetic patterns, irregularities in ocean tides, and slight deviations in Earth's trajectory. Many initially interpret these signals as experimental artifacts, but by the time their significance is recognized, the situation has escalated beyond control. The inevitable has commenced. A minuscule black hole, propelled by its insatiable appetite, begins to ingest Earth's outer layers. The planet's surface is ravaged, with continents shattered by tumultuous gravitational forces. Flames and molten material burst into the emptiness of space as Earth's structure disintegrates. In a matter of moments that stretch into an eternity, the very essence of Earth is dismantled. Gone are the land masses, the seas, and the atmosphere. A silent, fragmented remnant drifting through the cosmos. In the vastness of the universe, this was a mere microscopic anomaly, a black hole smaller than an atom that possessed the destructive capacity to eradicate our world. This serves as a stark reminder: even the most insignificant elements of the universe can harbor the potential for devastation. The cosmos's greatest enigmas may one day pose threats to everything we cherish, from the smallest particles to the largest celestial bodies, prompting us to continually observe, comprehend, and respect the fundamental forces that shape our existence.